What's up, guys? You got the QCat. Solar panel video. I thought my controller crapped out, and before you shit can anything in your system, check your connections. Apparently, not realizing it, the cable clamps. These ratty quick disconnect cable clamps were disconnected from the batteries. Ran the inverter the other night to charge up one of my smaller 12 volt batteries and left it on high charge, and came out the next day and the inverter was just beeping. And we got the Renogy Wanderer controller here, and it was as dark as it is now, no lights. And I was like, well, that's weird. So we tested the voltage at the terminals. We had voltage coming in, and we had voltage going out in our solar panels and at the battery. Problem was the battery was at 11.2. I said, well, why the hell is it not charging? So I test the battery itself. Battery's got 12.2. Okay, so we got a 1 volt, drop. So I'm looking, and what I have is this connected right here. And then I said, what the hell does that go to? And the other one was just laying back there. And I connected it up, and sure enough, the freaking panel turned on. So, just a heads up. If you find that you have no voltage, your lights aren't coming up, if you have a Wanderer panel, yeah, make sure you are properly connected. So what I did in that instance, I got rid of the clamps, and I put I terminals on, and then remove the piece of hardware behind the bolt, slid it on, put the ring terminal on there. This one over here is a slightly different setup, but I put a spade, and then I connected it right behind the nut and the actual terminal itself. So yeah, make sure to secure all your terminals. Once you get everything working the way that you want it, secure your terminals properly. Put ring terminals on, or spades, or just don't use those stupid clamps. Don't go through what I just went through here. It kind of sucks, but hey, you don't know unless it happens to you. So just a heads up, man. You got the QCat.